Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
So today I will tell you about my life and my family. So first I will start for my life until my day. So first my life. My name is Jason Pratama. You can call me Deto. I'm from Kerinci, Jambi. So I love my village, Lubuk 50 Lubuk. And now I stay in Fari for studying English. I am CTC student 172 at Basic English Course. And I from Humble class. So guys, I have many hobbies. Especially about sport. I like play football. I like play volleyball. I like play badminton. And among all of sport, I like play football the most. So when I play football, I feel I enjoy and very happy. So when I feel boring, I always play football with my friend. Now I not only like football, and also I like watching football. So I feel happy watching football with my father. So my father always meet me to watching football. So my favorite food is pempek. Pempek food from Palembang, traditional food from Palembang, and I like sate padang. Padang from Minang, suku Minang. So my favorite thing is coffee, but coffee give me many more. I can think with coffee. So coffee from my village is so delicious. So my coffee from my village export to Java. Yeah. So I like subject negotiation because I graduate in University Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta, major in international relations. So guys, after myself, you must know my family, okay? So my family, my father, my mom, and me. So I don't have a sibling, guys. I just alone. So yeah, guys. My father always teach me to be strong, discipline, and never give up. My father always tell me, don't be afraid to try. You must brave to to do something good. And my mother always teach me, you must to be person for life and care in your friend. You must be loving person again. When I go back my home, we always spend my time together, and we always eat together. And my family, the biggest motivation in my life. So guys, next the truth I tell you about unforgettable moment. Yeah, unforgettable moment is was joined competition. Okay, football competition in the city in Jambi. So my team in senior high school always first place, the winner, yeah, the one, guys. My team always twice low, twice low. my team is so good, so strong and so spirit and so disciplined and so strong teamwork. So really, bro, twice a row, bro, the winner, one place. And the next, my dream, you know, this Donald Trump, but he is Donald Trump. I don't like Donald Trump because he is like conflict. He is like conflict, but I don't like him. So my favorite, my dream is I wanna continue my study in abroad, maybe in major. I think peace and conflict resolution. Peace. Because I like negotiation, but I think negotiation very important to peace and conflict. And after this, I wanna be to part of improvement activist because I like natural. So I think in the world need activists to natural and this after this I wanna go to I wanna go to Tokyo, Rio, Denver, also Moscow and Lisbon because I wanna be professor. You know professor is? Thank you. But professor give me motivation. You must if you achieve your dream, you must begin from your strategic plan. Okay, guys. So it's all from me and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.